Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate clips in Instagram Edits app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, we need to open our Edits app, and after that, we will be needing to create a project. And to do so, you can simply click on this plus button, and that would allow you to start creating a new project. From here, you will be able to choose any media that you want to include into your editing or into your project. So I'm just going to stick with this one, click on done, and from here you will see that we are converted or taken to the editing page or editing panel, and from here we can do all the different or several editing on our clips. So simply now you will be needing to duplicate your clip by clicking on it, and then we will be needing to choose the duplicate tool or duplicator that would allow us to duplicate our media. So here at the bottom we will find this toolbar, and from here there is nothing concerning the duplicating, and to do so, you will need to click and select your media, either an image or whatever, and from there you can drag to the right or left and then click on duplicate, and here it will create a copy of your media or your clip. After that, you can start working on each one independently. You can also start adding transition between them, and you can also add whatever you'd like adjustments, color adjustments, some effects on your video, etc. At the end, after you finish like working on projects, you can simply click on export, and there you go. So thank you for watching and see you next time.